If we go right up the back. Yep.
Yes, hello, Edward. Was God always an all-knowing being, or is he still an evolving being, or was it?
That's a
Did he?
very good question. I think, as far as I'm aware at this stage, he's always been all-knowing. But, and I don't understand how that can be the case. But every question I ask God, because remember, once you have a relationship with God, you can ask God these questions.
Yeah.
So every question I ask God about, how did you always know? I always get back a response, he always knew, but I don't understand anything else from the answer. Like, how did he always know? I don't know. I'm going to have to improve in my development to understand that, I think. What I've learnt in my own progress is that I had to receive more of that love from God, God's love, in order to understand even God to a small extent. I just had anything I didn't understand, if I asked for more love, eventually I got to the stage of understanding. But I had to be really honest with myself, because even in the first century, I had to be honest with myself and go, well, there's a whole heap of things here I do not know about God. And all I've got to do is be really, really open about coming to understand them, and to use the intellect, the intelligence God gave me, as well as the emotional intelligence God gave me, to determine the facts of the matter. Yeah, but it's a good question.